The coronavirus pandemic now creating a national emergency across the United States. Thanks for joining us at 6. I'm Ashley Ketz. And there are a lot of new details on the fight against the virus from that news conference today. Here is what we know. A national emergency has been declared to combat the coronavirus. The president also is pledging $50 billion in federal aid. That money will help mobilize FEMA. In addition, the U.S. government is temporarily waiving federal student loan interest effective immediately. Back here in Arkansas, Governor Asa Hutchinson held a news conference of his own where he announced 3 new cases of the virus in Arkansas, bringing the total to 9. Our Jay Burr was there. He joins us now from the state capitol with more. Jay?
Yeah, that's right, Ashley. The biggest news coming out of that press conference today is those 3 new presumptive cases of the coronavirus here in the state, and then one of those being from right here in Little Rock.
We've had 3 new positive tests. The case that is of most concern is the one where we don't have a linkage to an out-of-state exposure or to a known case.
3 more presumptive positive cases of the coronavirus here in Arkansas, bringing the total to 9. Testing is becoming more urgent.
They have about 20 tests they can do per day. However, I want physicians and nurses around the state to realize that you can order the test right now.
Now efforts to ramp up testing are in motion.
In terms of UAMS, I'm delighted that they put on order testing equipment that can expand our testing capability in Arkansas.
That also includes more protective equipment for healthcare professionals, such as gloves, masks, even respirators for patients. The governor has been pressed this week about closing large events and finally commented on it.
Mayor Scott announced his recommendation that in Little Rock there would be no larger gatherings than 200 people. And I want to extend his recommendation and join in that recommendation to the 4-county area that we covered yesterday for school closings.
Director of Education Johnny Key on hand today as well to address school closures more in depth, saying they will follow the CDC guidelines closely.
What we know is that schools are the safest places in the state for most of our students. And the services that they receive there, not only the educational opportunities, but the meal services that go on are very important. And we want to keep that access open as long as we possibly can.
And obviously, Commissioner Key commenting on that there, also saying that they won't really consider school closures unless there is a presumptive positive testing that comes up in a school district. Also saying that the state testing window could be flexible as well, especially with those districts that are being affected. Nothing concrete as of right now, but they will definitely look into changes if need be. Live from the state capitol, Jay Burr, KRK 4 News.
Jay,